The new Toyota Tacoma deserves its time in the spotlight, but people are also waiting for the next generation Toyota 4Runner to reveal. Yes, it's very safe to expect the 2024 Toyota 4Runner hybrid to arrive with the next generation. Every truck and SUV in the lineup is going hybrid. In fact, the Toyota Tundra only offers a hybrid powertrain. But we predict that the new 4Runner will have a gas engine and a more powerful hybrid variant like the 2024 Tacoma. The 2024 Tacoma starts with a new 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 228 horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque. With the 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 iForce Max hybrid engine, you get up to 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. This is a massive power boost, and the engines can be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual transmission. The 2023 Toyota 4Runner has a 4-liter V6 engine with 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque. The Tacoma engines could be tuned to provide more power for the new 4Runner to account for the extra weight of the third row. Currently, the 4Runner gets an APA estimated 16 mpg in the city and up to 19 mpg on the highway. The fuel economy figures haven't been released for the Tacoma, but the new truck and SUV should be more efficient. It's safe to expect the 2024 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter model to join the lineup with the Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. We've seen concepts for the Tundra and Sequoia Trailhunter models, so each lineup could get this overlanding trim. The 2024 4Runner will ride on the TNGAF platform like the new Tacoma to take advantage of its high-strength box steel ladder frame. Plus, it has an electronically activated rear differential, Old Man Emu position-sensitive 2.5-inch monotube shocks, and a bed utility bar with removable molly panels. It rides on 33-inch Goodyear Territory RT tires. Other features include rigid LED fog lamps, a steel rear bumper, strengthened recovery points, rock rails, high-strength steel skid plates, an air intake snorkel, auxiliary switches, and an air compressor. The redesigned 2024 Toyota 4Runner could reveal by the end of the year. But it's possible that we won't see the next generation 4Runner until 2025. It's the last ancient model in the lineup, and we hope it arrives soon.